Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. This home is ready to move into. The home has been well maintained throughout the home. The living areas are spacious and the floor plan is open. All the bedrooms have a good floor plan for efficient living. The rear yard is private and great for relaxing. Move into this home and enjoy the great location, easy access to 288, I610 and Beltway 8. This area is developing with easy access to local shops and recreational amenities.